Hello. I'm gonna do my makeup for staying at home.
I'm here at Fashion Show Mall.
Okay. I spray my face with this NYX Radiant Finish, and then I wait that to get tacky, and then I put this primer. My e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. And then I'm gonna take my number 7 setting powder. I'm going to take the thick side of the wedge where there's a curve. I'm going to take that. And then I'm going to take the curvy side and I'm going to put it under my eyes. I do that. And then I take my small setting brush and I just brush it away. And then I'm gonna take eyeliner and I'm just gonna line my eyes real quick. I'm gonna be using Kiss Natural Lashes in 110. And then I'm gonna take my Buxom lip gloss and Sangria, and then I'm gonna put it in the middle of my lips, and then that's it. Okay, I'm gonna get dressed to stay home. I just wanna at least get out of pajamas.
Later that same evening.
Haha, like, I'm here at Fashion Show Mall. Hey guys, this is my vlog. I'm over here in Zara. My auntie's mom put jeans right here. You know how it is.
Oh my god. I'm embarrassed.
Where's that vlogger girl? Does she have a camera?
Yeah, she was
Yeah.
like...
I'm here at room 21.
Oh my god, is that the Vixenti? Can I have a picture? Oh my god. What? Wait, what?
I said nothing.
Hey, what's up, you guys?
Just a day in the life. You know how it is.
Get out.
Now I'm gonna stay in. No,
Oh
no,
my
no,
God.
no, wait.
Hi, bye. Oh my god, we're so cute. Get out!
I'm fucking trying, bro. Like, you don't appreciate when I try it. Like,
No, I don't. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Make sure to comment down your favorite Starbucks drink. Hey guys, make sure to smash that like button. I'm gonna have an asthma attack. Bye. Hi, Julie.
hey, my name's Tuyu. We about to fuck shit up.
Hello. I have a Daiso haul. I got some tissues to put in the car and my purse. I got a few stuff for my Etsy shop for packaging. I got these Ziploc bags to package with, and then I got memo sheets to write thank you notes with. I had cute cups, some haichu, but yeah, that's about it. Also, my film came in, my APS film. I bought it off of eBay. It was not stored in the fridge, but it was stored at room temperature, so I think it would be fine. It came with a free 35mm film.
Hold on, my titties are out.
They actually do hurt. Like, this is like, I love cold, but I hate cold, but my nipples get like really, really hard. Hi.
on today's part of what I didn't want to fucking hear in my car.
Thank you. That's my content for today.
Pink ones? Oh, I'm down.
Hey guys, it's me and my girlfriend. Oh my god. I need to get a chair cushion.
Oh, what's on TV right now?
She sits like a dad too. Should I do the Jake thing? He's this little kid.
Oh my god.
The Asian dad.
What? Excuse me? What
You really do gotta stay.
The next day.
Wow, we're back. Yay. Yay. Julie, I should have asked you if you had to poop before coming here.
I'm not gonna lie, I felt like I wanted to, but then I was like, you know what? I don't feel like it.
Okay.
Dude.
Okay, that's fine. We're at the mall. I'm too embarrassed to talk. Do you want coffee?
Coffee. Hello everyone. I don't have my makeup. I look kind of scuffed, but you'll see my eyebrows like, you know, pointy. But I look better this way. We're at the Ooh.
Oh.
Oh.
Where's the coffee? Where can I get coffee?
I don't know where we are.
Hello, I just got back from IKEA at the mall with Julie. I put on my necklace that I got from Swarovski. It's so cute. I like it layered. Yeah, please ignore that. I just spilled water on me. I'm editing and I'm having an allergic reaction to something. I'm very red. So I'm gonna go. See you guys.